Howdy everyone. We have made it to the room. Pretty standard affair here, but we're going to take a little walk through really quick. I'm a big fan of these rooms. There's secret Mickeys all over the place. You got one right here on the bowling ball. If you give me awesome pull-out beds, they are actually super comfy. They make room for everyone. But you also have another awesome little secret Mickey right smear. I think the bed's trying to start a fight with me. Oh yeah, awesome decoration for the kiddos or your normal Disney adults. Some awesome decoration on the main bed as well as lovely decor throughout. Say hi. TV for viewing. Your standard mini fridge. Nothing too crazy, but it gets the job done. Got your coffee with the famous Joffrey's. Can't forget that stuff. That's the good stuff. Storage for all of your things. And the lovely bathroom, as a famous YouTuber usually does. Yeah, that's a solid, what, 5 out of 5 flush? Yeah, that's a 5 out of 5. Oh, look at that beautiful decoration. I love the shower curtains in these rooms because they're always decorative and they always are a little different, but they still seem to fit the motif. But yeah, pretty standard bathroom, pretty standard room. This is the budget resort, but this is one of our favorite places to stay nonetheless. So thank you guys so much for joining us. We're going to be getting to the party here pretty soon, and we are going to be taking you with us.